This is dated 10th day of January. Distinguished Senate President, presidential decision to decline assent to the Federal University of Education Norman Establishment Bill 2024. Pursuant to Section 58, subsection 4 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, I hereby convey to the Senate my decision taken on the 23rd day of December to decline presidential assent to the Federal University of Education Norman Establishment Bill 2024, recently passed by both chambers of the National Assembly. I am declining assent to the bill due to the following reasons. A. Section 22 of the bill accords the authority to consent to the disposal of land in the federal institution to the governor of the state and not to the president, as that ought to be the case in respect of land belonging to a federal government entity in the case of universities, in the case of federal universities. B, the word statutes is spelled statutes, no T. It doesn't have double T's, or it does have double T's. But, I mean, this is minor. We shall look into this. Yes, that is in item 13 and 15 under arrangement of sections. The preposition of award and degree in section 25(4)(b). The phrase wanted. Okay, these are all minor observations. Please accept, distinguished Senate President, the assurances of my highest consideration. Yours faithfully. This is signed by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We shall, in line with this, do the needful. So this is yes.
His presentation and consideration of report of ad hoc committee on the screening of members of Northwest Development Commission and Southeast Development Commission. Mr. President, you may wish to invite Senator Kali for the Senate to receive and consider the report.
The Senate, at its sitting on Tuesday, 10th December 2024, considered the request of Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief of Federal Republic of Nigeria for confirmation of nomination to Northwest Development and Southeast Development Commissions, and members respectively, and therefore refer same to the Committee on the Screening of Nominees for Regional Development, to screen the nominees and report to Senate within 1 week from the date of referral. Is evidenced by the vote and proceeding of the 10th, 24th December 2024, and transmitting data of this effect from the Office of the Clerk to the Chairman of the Committee on the Screening of Nominees. Membership of the committee were Oji Uzokalo, Babangida Hussein, Senator Amin Abbas, yes, I've already said that, and Senator Afolabi and Senator Thomas. Mr. President, the modalities is in 1.1. The names of the nominees, you will get it in 1.2. The screening of the nominees, you get it in 2.0. The findings, you get it in 3.0 and 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5. And the last will be in 3.6. 3.4.0 Observations. Recommendations, Mr. President. The committee has thoroughly and diligently screened the nominees and found them suitable for the appointment. I hereby recommend for the confirmation of the chairman and members of both Southeast Development Corporation and Northwest Development Corporation. I endorse the members. I move that the members should I move that members should endorse the report of the committee. I so move, Mr. President.
I stand to second the motion ably moved by the Chief Whip of the Federation Emeritus. I so second.
Report that is properly delivered by Senator Ojuzokalo. Mr. President, from the nominees by Mr. President, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, we will see that those that are on the list are people who have proven capacity and capability to deliver. So as at then, we knew that the screening was just going to be an exercise that is going to be successful. Mr. President, the report is apt and the nominees are properly screened, and I support the motion that the Senate do approve the confirmation of the nominees as presented. Thank you, Mr. President.
This Senator
OFR, I represent Anambra Central Senatorial District. Mr. President, I would like to make a small correction on the report at page 3.4, screening of Honorable Okeezenwa, appointment as a member, Southeast Development Commission. The last paragraph should be Mr. Ezenwa was at a time Chairman Governing Council of the Federal Republic of Akwara State, not Mr. Abala. There was a mix-up there in the typing. It has nothing to do with the screening itself. Having said that, Mr. President, I want to commend the screening committee chaired by Senator Ojuzokalo. The report as presented captures the desire of our people who these people are going to serve in the commission. From the nominations, like the last speaker said, Mr. President chose very credible people to serve in this commission. So the committee has done a wonderful job. So I join in supporting this report, and I urge our Senate to adopt this report and confirm all the nominees as recommended by the screening committee. I so support. Thank you, Mr. President.
His Excellency, distinguished Senator Ojuzokalo, and members of his committee for doing the Senate proud, utilizing their hard-earned holiday to go through the screening of these nominees. So, and then finally making recommendations to the Senate today. Just to the nominees that appeared before the Senate committee for the Southeast Development Commission: Dr. Emeka Nwogu, Chairman; Mark Okoye, MD; Ugochukwu Agbala, Member; Okeezenwa, Member; Chief Hyson Igbo, Member; Chidi Echazu, Member; Barrister Ifeanyi Agwu, Member; Nasiru Usman, Member; Haruna Adamu Ali Kumo, Member; Edward David Onoja, Member; Orure Kufre Inima, member. Daniel Akwari, member. Mrs. Joke Adebayo Chukuma, member. Right Honorable Stanley Ohachiruka, member. Chief Sylvester Okonkwo, Honorable Toby Okechukwu. But what's of the chairman? There are some of them that were designated as executive directors. I hope they have been highlighted in the report. What is the it's an executive director and who is a member?
Mr. President, only
The findings of the committee, of the Hardcore Committee, on the clearance of the Northwest Development Commission and the Southeast Development Commission. Those in support that the findings be accepted and confirmed, say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Now for clarification from the presidential correspondence on the Northwest Development Commission. Outside the chairman and members, the designations will be announced in due course. However, with the amendment, the following from Southeast, Chukwu Chijoke will be a member of the Northwest Development Commission. Then from the Northeast, Ahmed Mohammed. From the North Central, Engineer Ahmed Rufai Timasaniyu. From the South, McDonald Michael Uyi. And from the Southwest, Honorable Babatunde Dada. Of course, the managing director remains Abdullahi Shehu Maji. Then from the Southeast, from the President's correspondence, which has been cleared by the ad hoc committee, the chairman is Dr. Emeka Mwogu. Then the MD is Mr. Mark Okoye. Barrister Ugochukwu Agbala, member. Isen Tikbo, member. Chidi Echiazu, member. Barrister Ifeanyi Agu, member. Nasiru Usman, member. Hama Adama Adekumo, member. Edward David Onoja, member. Kufre Enima, member. And Daniel Akwari, member. Mrs. Joke Adebayo Chukuma, member. And for the Right Honorable Stanley Ohachiruka is the Executive Director of Finance. Chief Sylvester Okonkwo is the Executive Director of Corporate Services. Honorable Toby Okechukwu is Executive Director, Projects. Senator Anthony Agbo is the Executive Director, Commercial and Industrial Development. Dr. Clifford Ogbede is the Executive Director, Natural Resources, Agriculture and Rural Development. This is directly from Mr. President's correspondence. Northwest. So from the Northwest, we have Lawa Samaila Abdullahi as chairman. Then we have the other members, Dr. Yahya Omar Namaye, Honorable Aminu Suleiman, Jafar Abubakar Sadiq, Yahya Aminu Abdullahi, Engineer Muhammad Ali Udil, Shamsu Sule, Nasidi Ali, Chuku Chijoke, Ahmed Mohammed, Engineer Ahmed Rufai Tima Sanayu, McDonald's Michael Uyi, Honorable Babatunde Dada, Professor Abdullahi Shehu Maji as Managing Director, Chief Executive, and this is directly from Mr. President's correspondence. Consider the reports of the ad hoc committee on the screening of Mr. President nominees for the two commissions of Southeast Development Commission and Northwest Development Commission, and approve as follows. For the Southeast Development Commission, Dr. Emeka Nwogu, Chairman, Mark Okoye, Managing Director, CEO, Barrister Ugochukwu Agbala, Oke Ezenwa, Aisen Igbo, Chidi Chiazu, Barrister Ifeanyi Agu, Nasiru Usman, Hama Adama Ali Kumo, Edward David Onoja, Kufra Inima, Daniel Akwari, Chief Joke Adebayo Chukuma, Right Honorable Stanley Ohachuruka, Chief Sylvester Okonkwo, Executive Director, Toby Okechukwu, Executive Director, Anthony Agbo, Executive Director, Clifford Owede, Executive Director, and all as Chairman, Managing Director, Executive Directors, and members of the Governing Board of Southeast Development Commission. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the Committee of the Whole? The Senate also in the Committee of the Whole considered the second commission as follows. Alawa Samaila Abdullahi, Chairman, Dr. Yahya Omar Namaye Sogoto, Member, Honorable Aminu Suleiman, Jafar Abubakar Sadiq, Yahya Aminu Abdullahi, Honorable Engineer Muhammad Ali Udil, Shamsu Sule, Nasidi Ali, Chuku Chijoke, Ahmed Mohammed, Engineer Ahmed Rufai Timasanayu, McDonald Michael Uyi, Honorable Babatunde Dada, Professor Abdullahi Shehu Maji as Managing Director, Chief Executive, Executive Directors, and members of the Board of the Northwest Development Commission. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the Committee of the Whole? Distinguished colleagues, for the Southeast Development Commission, will the Senate confirm the appointment of Chief Emeka Nwogu as Chairman, Southeast Development Commission? Those in support, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. The appointment of Chief Emeka Nwogu as Chairman of the Southeast Development Commission is hereby confirmed. Will the Senate confirm the appointment of Honorable Mark Okoye as Managing Director, CEO of the Southeast Development Commission? Those in support of the confirmation say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The appointment of Chief Mark Okoye as Managing Director, Southeast Development Commission is hereby confirmed. Will the Senate confirm the appointment of Right Honorable Stanley Ohachiruka as Executive Director of Finance of the Southeast Development Commission. Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The appointment of Right Honorable Stanley Ohachiruka as Executive Director of Finance of the Southeast Development Commission is hereby confirmed. Will the Senate confirm the appointment of Chief Sylvester Okonkwo as Executive Director of Corporate Services of the Southeast Development Commission? Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The appointment of Chief Sylvester Okonkwo as Executive Director of Corporate Services of the Southeast Development Commission is hereby confirmed. Will the Senate confirm the appointment of Honorable Toby Okechukwu as Executive Director of Projects of the Southeast Development Commission? Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The appointment of Chief Toby Okechukwu as Executive Director of Projects of the Southeast Development Commission is hereby confirmed. Will the Senate confirm the appointment of Anthony Agbo as Executive Director of Commercial and Industrial Development of the Southeast Development Commission? Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The appointment of Chief Toby, no, rather Senator Anthony Agbo as Executive Director of Commercial and Industrial Development is hereby confirmed. Will the Senate confirm the appointment of Dr. Clifford Ogwede as Executive Director of Natural Resources, Agriculture and Rural Development? Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The appointment of Chief Dr. Clifford Ogwede as Executive Director of Natural Resources, Agriculture and Rural Development of the Southeast Development Commission is hereby confirmed. Will the Senate confirm the membership of the following? Barrister Okochukwu Agbala, Oke Ezenwa, Chief Hyson Igbo, Chidi Echiazu, Barrister Ifeanyi Agu, Nasiru Osman, Nama, Hama Adama Ali Kumo, Edward David Onoja, Kofre Inima, Daniel Akwari, Joke Adebayo Chukuma, as members of the Southeast Development Commission. Those in support of the confirmation say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. So the appointments as members of the Southeast Development Commission are hereby confirmed. So let me thank the Senate for painstakingly repeating itself. Northwest has been taken care of. Northwest, will the Senate confirm the listed members of the Northwest Development Commission? Yahya Omar Nama, Aminu Suleiman, Jafar Abubakar Sadiq, Yahya Aminu Abdullahi, Engineer Muhammad Ali, Udil, Shamsu Sule, Nasiri Ali, Chukwu Chijuke, Ahmed Mohammed, a member of the Northwest Development Commission and the Southeast Development Commission. The Senate President must have read the name at least four times. So I believe it's better to err on the part of surplusage than for us to leave something hanging. So I thank the leader of the Senate for utilizing the rule standing order 1B to bend that even though we had approved the reports, that there was need for us to go back into committee of the whole to ensure approval and further confirmation of the appointees. And I think this clears the air to avoid any litigation arising therefrom as a result of the procedure of the Senate. So I thank all of you for your patience, and I want to wish the appointees well in their new endeavors. They should remain dedicated to the service of the nation. The zonal or regional development commissions are going to become major nexus between the federal government administration and the development of the various states in each of the regions. And I believe strongly that that nexus will help us to drive down development to the grassroots in the country. So I thank the National Assembly as a whole for the initiative of creating these regional developmental bodies in order to ensure that the dividends of democracy reach every nook and cranny of the nation. And we are through now with the ones of the Northwest and then the Southeast. So I thank all of you for your patience, and I wish the appointees well in their new endeavors. Leader of the Senate, can we take the last item on the other paper?